Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to block comments from someone on Instagram. So watch this video till the end. Instagram users have the ability to control who can comment on their post. This blocking differs from completely blocking a person because you have only blocked them from commenting. Technically, the person you blocked could still leave comments on your posting, but is only visible to you and the commenter. So let's get started without any further ado. Open your Instagram app on your device. Go to your profile by clicking the bottom right icon. Tap the three-line menu symbol in the upper right corner. Tap on Settings. On Settings page, tap Privacy. Tap on Comments. Tap on Block Comments From. Tap on the search bar. Search for the people you want to block. Tap on Block button. There you go. The simple steps will show you how to block comments from someone on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedbacks. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.